Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to perform a factory reset on your Huawei Band 9 using the Huawei Health App. So, first, begin by ensuring that your band is connected to your phone. And then you can do that by launching the Health App. And then ensuring under Devices, you see your Huawei Band 9 is connected. Once you've confirmed all of that, you want to scroll down until you find this option, Restore Factory Settings, and tap on it. And then from here, you want to tap on Restore. So, all you need to do is just wait for the band to finish going back to its factory default. And then from here, you want to now go to your Settings app. In Settings, you want to tap on Bluetooth, look for your band, and you want to forget the device so that it's completely erased from your phone. And once you've done all of that, it means that you've successfully done a factory reset. You can even confirm this by going to the Devices section in the Huawei Health app, and you'll notice you can no longer see your Huawei Band 9. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.